by Swami Vivekananda. In exceptional cases, when the samskaras are very strong, they bear fruit quickly. Exceptional acts of wickedness or of goodness bear their fruits in this life. The yogis even hold that men who are able to acquire a tremendous power of good sanskaras do not have to die, but even in this life can change their bodies into god bodies. There are several cases mentioned by the yogis in the books. These men change the very material of their bodies. They rearrange the molecules in such fashion that they have no more sickness, and what we call death does not come to them. Why should not this be? The physiological meaning of food is assimilation of energy from the sun. This energy has reached the plant is eaten by an animal, and the animal by us. The science of it is that we take so much energy from the sun and make it of ourselves. That being the case, why should there be only one way of assimilating energy? The plant's way is not the same as ours. The process of assimilating energy differs from our own. Would all assimilate energy in some form or another. The yogis said that they are able to assimilate energy by the power of the mind alone, that they can draw in as much as they desire without resource to the ordinary methods. As a spider makes his net out of his own substance and becomes bound in his net and cannot go anywhere except along the lines of that net, so we have projected out of our own substance this network called nerves, and we cannot work except through the channels of these nerves. The yogi says we need not be bound by that. Similarly, we can send electricity to any part of the world, but we have to send it by means of wires. Nature can send a vast mass of electricity without any wires at all. Why cannot we do the same? We can send mental electricity. What we call mind is very much the same as electricity. It is clear that this nerve fluid has some amount of electricity because it is polarized and it answers all electrical directions. We can send our electricity through these nerve channels. Why not send the mental electricity without these aid? The yogi says it is perfectly possible and practicable, and that when you can do that, you will work all over the universe. You will be able to work with anybody anywhere without the help of any nervous system. When the soul is acting through these channels, we say a man is living, and when those channels die, the man is said to be dead. But when a man is able to act either with or without these channels, birth and death will have no meaning for them. All the bodies in the universe are made up of tanmatras, and it is in the arrangement of them that there comes a difference. If you are the arranger, you can arrange that body in one way or another. Who makes up this body but you? Who eats the food? If another ate the food for you, you would not live long. Who makes the blood out of it? You certainly. Who assimilates the blood and sends it through the veins? You. Who creates the nerves and makes all the muscles? You are the manufacturer out of your own substance. You are the manufacturer of the body, and you live in it. Only we have lost the knowledge of how to make it. We have become automatic, degenerate. We have forgotten the process of manufacture, so that we do automatically has again to be regulated. So what we do automatically has again to be regulated. We are the creators, and we have to regulate that creation, and as soon as we can do that, we shall be able to manufacture just as we like, and then we shall have neither birth nor death, disease or anything.